Deep beneath the waves, in the darkest parts of the ocean, live creatures so wild, so weird. They seem like monsters from a storybook. But guess what? They're 100% real. Get ready, brave explorers, as we dive into the deep to meet real-life sea monsters. Deep down in the blackest part of the ocean lives a creature with its very own nightlight. Meet the anglerfish, the spooky swimmer of the sea. It has a glowing lure on its head that wiggles like a worm. Other fish think it's food and swim right up to it. Big mistake. Then chomp! The anglerfish gobbles them up with its giant toothy mouth. It may be small, but in the deep sea, it's the ultimate sneaky snack snatcher. The legendary giant squid. With arms longer than a school bus and eyes the size of dinner plates, it's the stuff of sailor stories. For centuries, no one had even seen one alive, until scientists caught one on camera. Meet the vampire squid. Don't worry, it doesn't bite. It's called that because of its spooky look, red eyes and a cloak-like web between its arms. But this creature is shy and gentle. Instead of blood, it eats floating sea goo called marine snow. Yuck. Ever seen a dragon underwater? The frilled shark has been around since dinosaur times. It has over 300 teeth in rows and swims like a snake. It looks scary, but it hides in the deep sea and rarely comes near the surface. This one's totally mind-blowing. Literally. The barrel-eye fish has a transparent head. You can see its brain and glowing green eyes inside. It stares straight up through its see-through skull to look for prey. Not all sea monsters are scary. The leatherback turtle is the largest turtle in the world, and it's also one of the kindest. It can grow as long as a small car and dive over 3,000 feet deep. Ready for a royal sea serpent? The oarfish can grow up to 36 feet long. It's rare and almost never seen, but when it appears, people think it's a sea dragon. But it's really just a peaceful deep-sea swimmer. Say hello to the goblin shark. It's pink, has a long snout, and its jaw shoots out to grab food. It looks like a prehistoric beast, and it kind of is. Scientists call it a living fossil because it hasn't changed in millions of years. Like giant bugs from outer space, these creatures are actually related to pill bugs, but they're huge. Giant isopods can grow up to 20 inches long. They live way down in the ocean where it's freezing cold and dark. Watch out! The sea snake is beautiful, but also one of the most venomous creatures in the sea. Luckily, they're shy and don't usually bother people. They slither like ribbons and breathe air, even though they live in the ocean. Whoa! From see-through heads to sea dragons, the ocean is full of real-life sea monsters. They're strange, magical, and totally fascinating. So next time you're at the beach, look out to the waves and wonder, what other creatures are still hiding in the deep? Thanks for diving deep with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow ocean explorers. Until next time, keep discovering.